Ever heard the whispers in the digital alleyways? The murmurs about a Gemini lurking in the shadows of the crypto world? Fear not, fellow crypto curious, because today we're diving deep to answer the burning question, does Gemini have Bitcoin? Now, for those of you new to the crypto scene, Gemini is a rising star in the world of cryptocurrency exchanges. Think of it as a secure marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade various digital currencies. Bitcoin, of course, being the OG of the bunch, often takes center stage. But here's the twist, Gemini isn't just a name, it's a constellation. In astrology, Gemini represents duality, the twins. So, could there be another meaning to does Gemini have Bitcoin? Perhaps a hidden brother in the digital landscape? Let's crack this code open, shall we? First things first, the straightforward answer, yes, absolutely. Gemini, the cryptocurrency exchange, proudly supports Bitcoin trading. They offer a user-friendly platform with tight security measures, making it a popular choice for both seasoned crypto veterans and curious newcomers. But hold on, crypto cowboys. Remember that Gemini thing being a constellation? Well, buckle up, because here's where things get interesting. In the vast expanse of the blockchain, there exists a project called Gemini Dollar or GUSD. Now, GUSD isn't a separate cryptocurrency, but rather a stablecoin pegged directly to the US dollar. This means one GUSD token always equals $1, offering a level of stability often missing in the volatile world of crypto. So, why the Gemini name for a stablecoin? Here's the connection. The creators of Gemini, the exchange platform, are the masterminds behind GUSD. Think of GUSD as the more grounded twin of the volatile Bitcoin. This brings us back to the original question, does Gemini have Bitcoin? Yes, it does. But the story goes deeper. Gemini, the exchange, offers Bitcoin trading, while Gemini, the constellation, represented by GUSD, offers a stablecoin tethered to the US dollar. This duality plays a crucial role in the crypto ecosystem. Bitcoin, with its potential for high returns, also carries the risk of high volatility. GUSD, on the other hand, provides a safe haven for investors seeking stability. So, the next time you hear whispers about Gemini and Bitcoin, remember, it's not just about one exchange having one cryptocurrency. It's about a platform offering both the thrill of the ride and the comfort of a safety net. Choosing your path. Now, with this newfound knowledge, you might be wondering which path to take. Should you dive headfirst into the exciting, yet volatile, world of Bitcoin? Or perhaps gust stability is more your style? The truth is, it depends on your risk tolerance and investment goals. If you're comfortable with the roller coaster ride that comes with crypto, Bitcoin could be a potential growth engine. But if you prefer a more measured approach, GUSD might be the perfect starting point. Remember, diversification is key. Many investors choose to have a mix of both in their portfolio. This allows them to participate in the potential growth of Bitcoin while also having a stablecoin to hedge against market fluctuations. The future of Gemini. With its user-friendly platform and focus on security, Gemini, the exchange, is poised to play a significant role in the future of cryptocurrency adoption. And GUSD, the stablecoin, offers a valuable tool for investors seeking stability in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. Whether you choose Bitcoin's high-octane adventure or Gust's steady climb, remember, knowledge is your greatest asset. Stay curious, do your research, and make informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.